only...
She's doing her math, let me just talk to her.
So,
I knew that one.
the only...
You know that I don't delete and start
the
over.
only even number that is a prime number is 2.
Good. So a prime number is a number that can only be divided by number 1 and by itself. So she's looking at a list of numbers. And I told her, tell me which one is a prime number.
30, 21, 15, and 7 are prime numbers.
No, only one of those numbers is a prime number.
Right, I just saying, oh, wait. 4 is not a prime number.
No.
So from here to there is prime numbers. Great, so choose
Only one number is a prime number. So we know 4 is not a prime number. 4 is an even number, so 4 can be divided by 2.
7 is
30 is an even number. Once a number ends with
Also,
0, 2, 4, 6, or
that.
8, it's an even number. What does that mean? It can be divided by number 2.
So only 3 of these could
30
be.
is not a prime number. We don't have 7, 15, or 21. 15 ends with number 5, which means they can divide it by 5, correct? 15 is not a prime number. 21.
Could divide that by 2.
Exactly. So our answer is 7. 7 can only be divided by 7 and by 1.
Round 291 to the nearest 100. I didn't do it with these big numbers, but I can do it. So first round, if we round it up. So if we round it up 91, that would be like, we'll be rounded up or down. So it takes up. It's down.
We would say 100s, 10s, 1s, 291.
That's not. This is a
So it says round it to the nearest hundreds. This is the hundreds. So we either going up to 300 or we coming back down to 200, right?
Yeah, we coming back down to 200.
Why are we coming back down to 200?
Because we rounding down, not up.
Why?
When we round it up, we're gonna be going to 100. But if it's
But why you
lower,
decide to round it and come down?
because if the number lower than 6, it's to round down because I can't remember.
I had a bit mixed up.
Right.
So we're trying to decide if this number 2, is going up to number 3, as in 300, or is staying as 200.
Let me show you what I mean.
If we can decide, are you sure me if we balance the time and then that would be it? I'm trying to explain, but yeah, patience, right? I'll just let it keep flowing till the time is up. Probably go another 3 minutes. Feels good to be back in the neighborhood again. It's a peaceful evening. Your little yard fowls, your little hens here, and the baby chicks. There's one here. It's not quite a chick. It's not quite a hen. It's just in between. Can you hear? I can hear the rooster. I can hear the dogs. I can hear the children inside talking. I can hear someone in their house doing something. Somebody using some kind of tool doing something. Yeah. You see how much, we just go along rushing, and missing out on a lot. But when you are still, so many different things you can hear. And see too. What's a good way of knowing it? Like when you are driving, you are so much focusing on the road. You don't observe a lot of things. But if you have to be driven, I first realized it like when it was being shuttled. Like if I took my car to get, back in the day, when I used to go to the particular place,
Sorry, I took so long.
Car done. And when it was in the van, I would be observing a lot of things I don't see. Yeah, you explain to me and then I'll explain to you.
I have to go to a yard. I do a yard way.
Working good.
My teacher said my hand wasn't on tidy. This look good to you?
Yeah, that look tidy.
Because, let me show you what she said my way.
You were probably rushing.
No, I was not rushing.
Oh, don't like this one. But it's a bit scratchy, but we can understand what she's writing, right?
Yeah. She don't like
Can understand.
here. Wait, she don't like none of this, huh? Wait till they doing now.
Mm-hmm.
She don't like this one because she mad we mess. She messed up.
Mm-hmm.
She put the wrong thing.
Mm-hmm. So you were probably in a hurry. That's why it looked like
So
this.
we class, we gotta hurry up and wait before
Mm-hmm.
she reads. We only got 3 minutes to wait.
Mm-hmm.
So we gotta wait 5.
Yeah.
So she read the wrong thing and she had to erase it. So I had to erase
You
all
were
of
rushing.
that.
I could see that, yeah. All right, so you explain to me in your way. This is probably the last
Right.
thing we're going to do.
That
And then
was
it can be Tamar
percentages.
time.
Let me
Mm-hmm.
find it. Look, right here. Round. So you see, oh, I was wrong. It's from 1 to 4.
So this number has said 29, right? So we see 29 is closer to 30, right? So this
Yeah.
number have to become 300.
You will wait.
All right, so you do one more and then let Tamar
The
come now.
diagram below is made up of squares of equal size.
Makes her nice.
What fraction of the diagram is shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3,
4 over 7.
4, 7. Well, we do this too.
Mm-hmm.
And then that be
And then, so the first thing we have to do
That'd be 15
5
over
over 16. Correct. 15 over 16.
Ooh, what is the value?
8 over 9 minus 2 over 9 equals 5 over 9.
What?
You could get that down. That look difficult.
You look difficult for you?
It's only because it's so over 9. But all we have to do, imagine that we weren't saying over 9. If I had said A take away 2 equals 5, and I want to find out what's A, what I would do?
You will add it.
I will add 2 plus 5, right? Right.
It'll be 10.
2 plus 5 equals 7. Right?
Yeah.
So it's the same thing.
So it will be
A
7
over
subtract
9
2
minus
will
2 over 9 equals 5 over 9. I want to find out A. I would say
be
5 over 9 plus 2 over 9 equals 7 over 9.
Yeah.
So we are not going to be scared because it's saying over 9 instead of just being whole numbers, right? We figured out what we need
When
to
I'm
do.
going there, I'm going to be bored anytime I do. Is the
1
arrow
over
right
2.
to the big fish to come my way?
All right, do that one. Let that be the last one, and then go and call Tamar, please. A half is smaller than 3 over 6 or equal to 3 over 6.
They're not equal.
It's not equal, she says.
Come my way.
So we can find out if it's equal.
Well, I did.
1 over 2, 3 over 6.
Oh my God, you hear that?
What's a number that can be divided by 2 and can be divided by 6? What's the smallest number?
2. 2 can be divided by 2, you know?
6 can be divided by 2 and 6 can be
Yeah.
divided by 6. What's 2 into 6? 6
2
divided
in-
by 2 is 1.
6 divided by 2.
Mm-hmm.
2 and plus 6, 3.
It's 3. So I said multiply by 3. So this one becomes 3 over 6. And we have 3 over 6. So it's actually equal. Both of them are 3 over 6. Go and call Tamar. That's the end of her lesson. I can let her give you a little message. You should go and call Tamar.